What's up, guys, and welcome back. So Kodi is still alive, and we have a great new add-on 2018 to keep the little ones occupied. And this add-on, guys, is called Zim. So guys, this is a great add-on and it gives the kids some entertainment all round. So guys, let's get down to it. So if we open up the app, and there we have it: kids movies, kids TV shows, anime movies, anime TV shows, little tickies, tools, and search. So if we click on kids movies, you've got ultimate movie list, you got Walt Disney movies, you got DreamWorks, superhero movies, Tim Burton films, Lego movies, Transformers, and Harry Potter. So guys, there's a big list here. As we see, it goes on and on and on. So let's try out one just to give you some review. Guys, this add-on works well, it works flawlessly, and it's great quality as well. So let's try The Last Dark Knight. One flaw that I actually found with this add-on, guys, is it does take some time to load the providers or scrape the sources, and thereafter it does work flawlessly. So guys, while we're waiting for this to actually scrape the providers, if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe tab down below and leave your comments as well, guys. So we've got some 720 links, we've got some SD links, so it is scraping the net for some good sources, guys. So as we wait, so as you see, guys, it opens up the list. You have a ton of sources actually pulled up. As you see, the list goes on, and if you go right to the end, it scraped up some odd 200 sources. So guys, you got a great scraping add-on here, which gives you abundance of sources. Remember, some servers that these sources are on will actually buffer depending on the distance of the server and how fast the server is. So actually trying out individual links and finding the best stream will be your best option. So I'm just going to try one out from here. Just going to wait for it to actually open up. As I say, guys, it does take some time to actually start up and play. However, once started, it does start up flawlessly with no buffer. As you see, it's actually working quite well. And guys, we're getting 720 stream, so I'm gonna stop it right here. You can try out the rest of the links for yourself. So I'm just gonna go back out and give you a bit more of a review on each folder. Cancel that. I'm gonna go back out. So we're gonna try kids TV shows. One thing I do like about this add-on, guys, it gives you a bit of Netflix kids version. So I will show you that just now as well. So you got popular cartoons, you got trending shows, teen TV networks, popular networks. Let's go into popular networks. So you got Nickelodeon, Cartoon Network, Nicktoons, and Disney XD. So guys, these are all shows that's on the current networks, which you can actually watch season by season, episode by episode. Let's try Phineas and Ferb. So you got season 1, season 2, season 3, season 4, and if you open up one of the seasons, it's going to give you a list of all the episodes available. So guys, look at this list. Every episode of Phineas and Ferb season 1 is actually in this list. So we've got 47 episodes here, guys. It's a great add-on for the kids. It's going to really entertain them and keep them busy while you do your normal daily stuff. So we're going to go back out. We're going to go back out one more time. Let's try Little Tickies. So this is the folder. You got Disney Junior shows, Nick Junior shows, and there we have it, guys, Netflix shows. So if we click on Netflix shows, guys, once again, please, if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe tab and leave your comments down below as well. Don't forget that notification bell, so when I bring out new content, new Kodi add-ons, APKs, and some tech reviews, you'll be the first to actually know about it. So as you see, guys, this is a list here of all the Netflix kids shows, and they work flawlessly. I've been using it and it works flawlessly, guys. So you got a bit of a review on how this add-on works. I hope it's really helpful. So let's get down to actually installing it. So to install this add-on, guys, you're going to click on the settings tab at the top. You're going to click on File Manager, and you're going to click on Add Source. So where it says none, you're going to click on none again. But guys, I'm going to show you my one that I've already installed. So it's going to be Add Source, and there we have it, guys. So you're going to enter this source under none. You can pause the video here, take down the source code, and enter it in your Kodi setup. And then you're going to click OK, and you're going to give the source a name, as I called mine Paul. So you're going to click OK, and you're going to go back out, guys. You're going to go back to the main menu, and you're going to click on add-ons. Then you're going to click on the box at the top left corner, and you're going to click on install from zip file. Then you're going to look for the source that you've given a name to. So I've called mine Paul, and I'm going to click on Paul. Then you're going to click on files, guys. You click on files, and we're going to look for the repository.lumberjack, which is the third one from the top. So you click on that, and then you click on the zip file. You're going to give it a few seconds or minutes depending on your line speed to actually load up, and wait for the pop-up at the top right hand corner screen. And there we have it, guys, add-on updated. Yours should say add-on installed. And then you're going to go over to install from repository, and you're going to look for the lumberjack repository. You'll click on that. You'll click on video add-ons, and there we have it, guys, the Zim add-on. You'll click on Zim, and where mine says uninstall, yours is going to say install. You're going to click on that, and you're going to wait for the installation process. Once installed, guys, you can actually click open on this page, or you can go out completely back to the main menu. Once you're in the main menu, you'll go down to add-ons, and there we have it, guys, Zim add-on installed. So if you click on that, it's going to open up the Zim add-on, and there we have it, guys, add-on installed. I hope this video is helpful, guys, and does give you some hints on movies and TV shows for the kids. So guys, once again, if you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe tab and leave your comments down below. See you in my next upload, guys. Thanks for watching.